Hello everyone, it's Jessie. I hope you're having a great day, afternoon or evening, wherever you may be. In this video, we're just going to relax, and I'm going to show you my most recent illustration, which is just a girl sitting on a supboard reading a book on the beach, because somehow that makes total sense. And I'm going to be real with you, I did not have anything planned for this video. I don't have any particular topic to talk about. I don't really have anything that's significant to tell you. And if you want to still stick around and watch this video, by all means do so. If you don't want to, that's okay. But just to let you know, if you are interested in prints of this, it is available in my Redbubble store, which you can see it in the description below, or if you go to my about section of my YouTube channel page. This year has all hit us in some way or another. It hasn't really been easy for me either. I wish I could say everything is great. I wish I could say that every day is good and that nothing truly bad has happened, but you know what? Sometimes life gets you down, and I think sometimes we just need those few minutes to just relax and do something comforting, something that will try to calm us down, something, I guess, relaxing. So I wanted to give you that space today, even if it's only for 7 minutes. Recently, I've been streaming more on Twitch, and everyone tells me that I have a very relaxing voice and that maybe I should read books for a living. So with that in mind, I just wanted to let you know, you're not alone. Whatever I'm drawing here, it's okay if you're paying attention or not. But I just want to let you know that you're not alone. You can relax. Do whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable. Lay on the couch. Lay in bed. Get yourself a cup of tea. Or some other equally hot drink that you like to have. And just do nothing for the next couple of minutes. It's not always easy to tell ourselves to do nothing and relax, because if we're not feeling productive, somehow that makes us feel bad about ourselves. And that's not true at all. You do need downtime. You do need time to do absolutely nothing. So I wanted to convey that in the drawing, and I'm planning on conveying that in other drawings as well. We're taking the time out of our life to focus on our emotional health, our physical health, and our well-being, so that way we can function better the next day. Every one of us has this one place, whether it's your living room, whether it's in the mall, whether it is in the bathroom. Tell me what your place is. My place is relaxing by the beach. Like, there's nothing that gets me more calm than just sitting at the beach or being in the beach water if it's not too cold. But it's just that one place for me that all the stresses of life go away. You're not really thinking of anything important. You're not really doing anything. It's that one place that gives you this feeling of infinite possibilities when you look at the horizon and you say, yeah, you know what, I can go to this place. Or maybe I won't because I can choose not to. Or I'm just gonna lay out on this sand and I'm going to sleep. It's just that one place where I can truly relax. So think to yourself, what is that place that you can relax and just do absolutely nothing? If you can't go to that place, it's okay. Visualize it in your head. Try to mentally feel there. If there are any scents that can make you feel closer, get that scent. Any sounds? Listen to those sounds. We're almost done with the illustration here, but as always, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you liked it by clicking that thumbs up button, and I will see you next time. Ciao!